Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to remove Gmail account from your ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro Android mobile phone. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all you need to go your Play Store on your Android mobile phone. Okay, just simply tap on your Play Store. Okay, when you tap on your Play Store you can see a new interface on your screen just like that. Here at the top right of the screen you can see a logo or a DP of your uh, Google account, Google Gmail account. Okay, so just simply click or tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here you can see your Gmail account, and at the corner of the screen you can see a type of arrow. Just simply tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of add another account. Okay, just tap on add another account. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here you can see all your Gmail accounts which is related to your Android mobile phone. Choose any one of Gmail account which you want to remove. In my case I select the second one. Okay, just simply tap on second Gmail account. I select second. Okay, when I tap on Gmail account, you can see a new interface just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of remove account. When you tap on remove account, a new pop-up window you can see on your screen just like that. Simply tap on OK button. Okay, when you tap on OK button you can see your Gmail account has been removed from your Android mobile phone. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please hit a like button. Thank you.